Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. If you are a new subscriber, I'd like to take the time out to say thank you so much for coming over, watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And if you are a returning one, thank you as well. Anyway, I'm so excited because I have got an unboxing of a few things from Cloth and Paper, as you can see. Now, I'm in London in the United Kingdom, and I was so pleased that I was able to make this order from Cloth and Paper, and it actually went very smoothly. Made my order. I did speak to a customer service team, and they assured me that my items will be delivered to the UK, so I was so grateful. And also, because I'm just setting up my mini happy planner as well, I just wanted to give it that little special touch, because I do love the mini happy planner, even though I really take my time to get it into perspective and get it working how I want it. Sometimes I can be very slow, but more importantly this year is that I did wait a little bit too long to decide which planner I was going to use. So by the time I decided to order the supplies, they were running a bit late. So I'm still in the process of sorting it all out, and this is included as well in the supplies. Now let's open up and have a look. So excited. Lovely. It says ciao. I don't want to peel this off for the minute, so I can go in here and take out what I need. Very nice. What do we have here? First of all, I did order some plastic discs from them, and I do believe they are the 1.25 inches. I think they look pretty nice on my planner. I do like the pink ones that I'm using, the Happy Planner discs that I'm using at the moment, but I may change them. Just depends how I feel. So I think this is my receipt. Yeah, this is my receipt. And then I did order these crystal clear disc bound covers. That's for the back and front. I can see progress with my planner now. I mean, I've still been planning in it. So there you go. You've got the two crystal clear covers, front and back. Okay, so let's get into this one now. Ooh, that's what I like to see. Okay, you can just take it out like that. Then I'll try and take the stickers off at a later date. That's what I've got. And then look at what I've got. There, and this is the personal black contoured no rings cover. I am investing in my mini happy planner because I think that is the only planner that I will be using for quite a long time. So there you have it. It's lovely, it's beautiful. It really reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Epi That's lovely. And I'm hoping that I'll be very happy with it. It's got the pen loop, and the closure's quite roomy, so if it does get a bit bulky, still got a lot of space. And we've got 2, 4, 6 slots here, and a pocket. Got a large pocket here, and a large one here as well. I know, I suppose the more I use it, the more it will sort of get a bit looser, but it's nice and sturdy, it really is. And I do believe this is the dust bag. The dust bag. Oh, I've got a divider. That's lovely. And the dust bag. That's so nice. I'm really, really pleased with my order, and I will be making very good use of these. So I do have all my things now, and I'll be getting started on my planner.